Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for clicking. As you guys can see by the title of this video, we're gonna reset my whole apartment. It's been about 2 to 3 weeks, not gonna lie, that we haven't refilled our kitchen, our house essentials, like our typical body wash, face stuff. So we're gonna go do all of that in this video. I'm gonna take you guys along on a Costco trip, on a Target trip. Go to Costco, let's go to Target, let's go break the bank. So you think it's not healthy? Should I just get regular?
Probably we should just get regular.
I don't know. That means it's more flavorful?
Yeah, it's gonna be more flavorful because it has the fat in it.
Well, what if it's more flavorful and I only need a little bit less? These are tenderloins, so they're the thin ones. Yeah, no? $7 for all this?
Total price, yeah?
So some might say $20. Shopping on a Saturday is chaotic. We gotta do what we gotta do because we're hungry. We're so hungry nowadays. They're soft, but they're good. I'm trying to get to them eggs. I hope they still have eggs. Can you go get the
Eggs?
and milk? Oh, there's pancakes. No eggs. Is it empty? There's no eggs, but I saw some when we got here. It's warm. Really, I don't think your mom needs. Your mom doesn't. Oh. It says there 100%. You guys, we're gonna try these. They're like a healthy chip alternative. They're only $10. Hope for the best. I've been on a pineapple tip, and they sell this case of. I'm gonna get the thin sliced 80 calories and give them to my mom. So I have all of that. Angel needed a new pillow, by the way, so we got him a little body pillow. Everything so far. All of this, $200. We came to Target. Costco was so overstimulating with all those people. It's so busy here too, you guys. Y'all need to get out of Target and stop shopping on your days off because y'all ain't leaving me no type of relaxation when I come shopping. Anyways, let's get protein chips. I've heard about this brand real good and I'm gonna try it. There's 23 grams of protein and 3 grams of carbs. Let you guys know how this tastes. For the restroom, for my kitchen, if you guys are interested in how my house smells, always good. For the gym, because the gym is dirty and I started like, I itch every time I go to the gym, I think from sweating, so I also got all precautions. Everybody raves about these chomps. I'm gonna give it a try, and if I like them, next time I'm buying them at Costco. You guys convinced me not to buy this right now. The Blender bottle brand came out with insulated cups. Look how cool they are. They have the measurements right there. And the color is phenomenal. I really want this. It's $25, y'all. 30 bucks. No, it's 27. 25? I really want this. But do I need it? Probably not. But am I gonna get it? I hope not. Stay tuned to find out if I buy this water bottle or not. If I don't get that cup, does that mean I can get like one of these cups? Look at all the pink Stanley stuff Target has. This Stanley lunch bag. You guys are not gonna get how much. You guys are not gonna guess how much this backpack costs. $100. The size of my face. Convinced me not to buy this $100 Stanley lunch bag. It even says Stanley on here. If I don't get that other insulated cup for my overnight oats, I can just save the 30 over there and put it into this $100. I can't believe this is $100. Stanley, you did your number with this little light pink collection. And I'm almost willing to spend $100 for this. Look at the inside. This is so cute. I might get it.
Gonna drink some under it. No, you did it too. Just literally just.
Oh, it pops up on its own?
Yes, so like hold it.
Oh, that is so dope. I want this bag, y'all. Somebody convince me. This shit is sick, huh? Do we get it? Do we not get it? Do we get it? Do we not get it? This is like an investment into work. Maybe it can be like a tax write-off. Correct me if I'm wrong, if I could use this as a tax write-off for work. I almost left without a loofah. We're getting a pink loofah out of all of these colors. Target has been going in with the pinks. Shout out to Target. And you guys were getting it. Target total was $267, including this $100 Stanley bag. I caved, you guys. I caved. She's so pretty. She's so pretty. I caved, guys. But if y'all don't see me with this every time I'm outside, y'all clock me for it. We're gonna get Starbucks after all of that shopping. For Liz? Yeah. You want something, babe? But you guys, my matcha with almond milk and strawberry cold foam. It's a vibe. It's a vibe. See you guys when I get home. Guys, I changed. Who else gets home from all day shopping and just gets into something comfy? Look at this cute Adidas sweatshirt I got. You guys the back of it. Pretty cute. Cherries, it's a vibe. The avocado spray, the bread, the fruit. At Target we got the orange juice, the house refills, my brow pencil, my umbrella because it's raining all week and this was the perfect color for the gym baby. Disposable tongue scrapers. Y'all, if y'all are not using a tongue scraper, at least get some disposable ones, but y'all need to be using these. Like, a toothbrush does not clean your tongue. Use a tongue scraper. Cannot stress that enough. For my restroom, for my cuerpo, toothpaste. Trying these. This is the face wash. I stand by this. I use this face wash every single day, night, everything, and I get the value size to last. We're trying this one. It's new. 3 times stronger. You know how this goes. Told you I got pink. I want to try sour cream and onion. Angel's favorite sweet chili. And I've heard great things about this brand, so we're gonna try it. Thank you, babe. Mangoes at Costco. Angel got some immunity shots at Costco. We got the immunity shots. We got the oranges, pink in the inside. Hard avocados because we need them. I ended up buying the adult looking Lunchables for when I'm out on the field, as well as packed peaches in little cups because I love peaches, especially for a snack. Y'all seen we got these bell pepper crisps. Let you know how that goes. Any energy drinks at Costco. Aspire Healthy Energy. We got the white nectarines, milk, tomato sauce, chicken, as you guys saw. I got the pineapple juice. fire. And yeah, protein, all that good stuff. I'm gonna put all these things away, and I'm debating if I'm gonna clean my fridge while I restock these items because my fridge needs to be wiped down, yeah, but I'm so exhausted, so I might just chill out for a while and then clean my fridge and then restock. Let me go sit down right now, and y'all, I'm admiring this. Like, this really made me happy. I'm just the girl. Y'all, don't let pink stuff influence you, because this was $100, and I mean, I'm just not gonna buy a lunch bag for the rest of my life. But tell me it wasn't worth it, I swear. So cute. Okay, I'ma chill, y'all. Voila, I look a mess. I took my hair out because I'm tired and it's late. I'm hungry. I got some rice cakes. Yeah, I ordered on Postmates because Postmates just stays sending me deals, so I always just order everything on Postmates. I think this is like their popcorn chicken. Oh, by the way, this is all from Silver Lake Ramen. Fire. 10 out of 10. If you guys have not tried Silver Lake Ramen, go try. I get their glaze ramen. So this is it. Silver Lake Ramen. Super cute. Let's send you the broth separate. And a cute little piece of seaweed. Since I've been going to the gym, like I'm not eating too much because I'm getting like, I get full fast. Or you guys see the California meals, they're always so big. Like everything you eat somewhere is always enough for like 2 people. You will soon realize that the healthier you get. So me and Angel are actually going to share this. And it's gonna be our dinner, and then I'm gonna go ahead and put the groceries away. Y'all, don't judge me. Those groceries are sitting on that counter just like, hurry up, babe. Also, their pork, we get pork here as like our protein option, and their pork tastes like carnitas. If you guys have ever tried carnitas, it's like a piece of carnitas. That looks so fire. So try it out. The Blaze ramen, it is not spicy. I think there's levels to it, but either way, I get like the highest level, which I think medium. Not spicy at all. They don't give you utensils anymore. Story of my life. But we're gonna eat since we haven't ate since the morning, and put all that stuff away. Babe, come. Babe, get the spoons and stuff, please. Look at this, y'all.
It's time to go to sleep already or what?
You cannot see it, but fire. I'm all done, nice and full. It's not time to empty it because it's empty, but it's time to wipe it down and restock it with everything we got today, so we could end our day already because it's been too long. I'm done with the fridge, guys. Check it out. Nice and clean. Still looks empty, but all the protein's already in the freezer. The chicken. I need to reorganize it and add this in there, and then still put the counter stuff away. Oh, I don't know if y'all peeped these in the freezer. Angel put them in there while I was cleaning the fridge so they don't get hot. Let's put these away. These are so cute. If y'all haven't tried immunity shots, highly suggest to try them, especially if you're like feeling under the weather, or overall they're healthy for you. And this one comes in a pack of 10 from Costco. Don't say I didn't tell y'all about the good stuff. This is the good stuff, y'all. Okay guys, we're finally ending this video. We definitely did our thing with grocery shopping and restocking the apartment. We have a gang of healthy snacks, which I'm so excited to munch on, but we're gonna keep it to a minimum every time. But thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye.